Well, yo. Long time. Oh, damn, door's going flying. Long time no see, everybody. Sorry about that whole couple weeks there without a video. You know, between school and just getting stuff done around the house, I've been pretty busy. I haven't really been fishing as much as I'd like to. I mean, a couple times I did come out, it just either too windy or just wasn't really feeling filming. Just been kind of, you know, one of those times. Not feeling myself, if you will, as the kids say these days. But we're back. We're hopefully going to catch a few fish today. I mean, I was here the other day with my brother and we caught a couple nice ones. Nothing really monstrous or anything like that. But it's a good spot. It's the secret spot. I did film one video out here a week and a half ago or so, but I got a whole lot of the street signs in it, and well, local legend Ed told me to keep it a secret, and I suck at editing, so I didn't really put it out the video. I got a couple clips that I'll probably put on Instagram, and you know, just little things like that. Ed and I ended up doubling up actually in that video, which kind of sucks because, well, I'd like to put that clip at least up on Instagram. But anyway, we're gonna battle some wind today. I apologize in advance for any, you know, terrible audio. Still don't got the wind muffle thingy for the mic, and well, I still need to get an external mic, and I don't even think my GoPro supports it, so we need to get a recorder, and it's just a whole bunch of fun stuff that I gotta still do. But it's a work in progress. We're still pretty new to the game. Let's see what happens, I guess. I appreciate everybody. First of all, I want to say that before I get fishing. I do appreciate everybody who has stuck around. You guys are definitely some loyal ones. Reach out to me on Instagram if you're subscribed, and we'll see what we can do about either doing like a little dangle together, or, you know, hook you up with a couple packs of baits, or, you know, whatever. I just want to show my appreciation to you loyal ones that have been sticking around. So without further ado, let's hop on the GoPro and let's go rip some lips, man. So we're gonna start off with the chatterbait, Z-Man Jackhammer Chatterbait that my buddy Ed let me borrow. We got a, what is that, a Strike King Rage Swimmer, I believe it is. I have it linked on the last picture on my Instagram. Or not linked, but posted there. And yeah, I also apologize for this dang wind, man, it's bad. But I'm actually pretty pleased with this trailer. I'm not gonna lie, I did want to mention that. I don't know how many fish we caught on it now. I want to say close to maybe 10-15 fish in the same bait. I haven't changed the trailer other than retying. I haven't taken this thing off this rod. We also got this SLX. It's new reel, 6:3-to-1 ratio. I got that from Lake of the Woods, actually. That's a Shotgun, Ontario, on the other side of the big ponds, in Kenora. If you guys know Brian Gustafson and, you know, guys like that from the Elite Tour, his brother actually, I'm pretty sure, is the owner of it. And we've been using this setup for a while now. It's on the Guggen Green Series reaction rod. I honestly love it. I'm not gonna lie. I love the reel. It's nice and slow for the chatterbait. You can really crank on it, as you can probably tell here. You can really beat it back in here, and it doesn't really like sink too much. I was using my loose custom black for a while, and I found that I had to really slow down with that thing. It's like 31 inches per crank or something like that. There's a fish. Nice. Was that third cast or so? Not a bad way to start off. Pretty quick. There's a little guy, maybe just under a pound, you know. Gotta start it off somehow, but the skunk's out. We'll get rid of him. But, oh, wrapped it up. Yeah. There's one. About the same size as the other guy. Where are we at here? Oh, he choked that. He freaking choked it. Here, let me get some slack out there. See it? Hard to see in the mouth there. He choked that for a little guy. Yeah, when the little ones choke it, I mean, you know they're eating it, but, you know, it's kind of hard to get it out of their mouth. I feel bad after. All right, buddy. Thanks for biting. Go recover. Yeah, I flipped in front of like this little slop here, and then didn't get anything, so I threw it on this side. He came up and slumped it. I think he was hiding under the branch maybe. It is a little bit more guarded from the wind on this side, I guess, with all this tall grass here, right? Kind of helps. But caught a nice 2-pounder off this side on the right here a couple days ago. Felt like an ass though, because my brother's PB's pretty low, and we're both convinced that it probably would have beat. But I mean, he had we went skateboarding and his hand got messed up, so he didn't really fish a whole lot. Yep, there's one. I love when they hit it, like as it hits the water. Oh yeah, he's running into the grass. That's not a bad one. You're not running into there either. No culvert for you. I might have caught that one the other day, actually. Another one, choking it. Where's that camera? Another one just choking it. Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube, bud. That's a nice one. That's good. What, 1 pound, 1.5 pounder. I like that. They've got nice markings on them. Definitely a little more unique. It's kind of hard to show that side right there, but there he is. Yeah, I'll give you a sniff. Yeah, I'll smell you. You're the biggest one of the day. Oh, we're gonna take a picture for Ed really quick, just to piss him off while he's at work. He always sends me pictures because he gets out here a lot earlier than I do, so have to send that out. Yeah, have to send that to Ed in just a minute. You don't need to set the hook hard on these. It's more or less lean into it and just keep reeling. It's doesn't need a whole lot to get in there, especially in the summer when their mouths are all nice and soft. There's one. There's one. Open up. Thank you. A lot of them got marks on them. Beauty. Let's reel that up a little bit. Yeah, see, a lot of them got those marks on them. I don't know what that's even from, like where it comes from or anything. But yeah, you got it on both sides. And then, yeah, just because Ed likes to do it to me, we're gonna take a quick picture with this guy too. That's for you, Ed. If you're watching, which you're pretty cool for that. You usually do. See you later, dude. See if Ed likes these shout outs. I likes when they come back at him. It's tough in here, I'm not gonna lie. Ed was saying last year when he came out, it was pretty much either frog in the morning or early evening. There's another one. That's just a little guy. Yeah, frog in the morning or the evening, and then he would say the weightless Senkos, like you can get away with a wacky rig when it's not. Oh, little guy. Just a wee one. See you later, buddy. Thank you. So anyways, yeah, he was saying you can get away with probably a weightless Texas rig or wacky worm with like a weedless hook, because it's just it's brutal. I don't know if you guys can tell over on this side here on the left side, but it's a whole lot of grass that comes up and like actually makes the mat. And apparently this whole thing turns into that in the summer, like the deep summer. Oh, it just came out of the grass. I saw that one too. And the water clarity isn't nearly as bad as I was expecting, so I might even grab my swim jig. I got a 1/2 ounce swim jig from Carl's. So There's one. Were you the one playing peekaboo with us or what? Come here. Yep. Ooh, close to the eye, buddy. Hoping not to hurt him too much. Yeah, I don't want to pop it like that either. There we go. Sorry about that, dude. Another decent little guy. I'll let you go back. No picture. Just get you gone. So, we're gonna do a quick little update here. I was going to do this outside, but the wind is pretty bad, and well, the iPhone's even worse than the GoPro for the wind noise. So, we're gonna send those pictures off to Ed. I'm gonna blow my nose because, yeah, the allergies are creeping up on me, I guess. So far, I think we're at five to seven fish. Don't quote me on that. Threw the chatterbait a while, and well, it's like a friggin' magnet for them, man. They love it. So we're gonna try the wacky worm, I think, just in this other side on the right, my right, I guess, where we were just throwing the chatterbait, because it's a little more sheltered from the wind, like I was saying. And there's a couple of them, looks like they're hiding like in the grass, and it's kind of cool because there's like little pockets as the grass goes around. So I basically just cast the wacky worm over it, reel it to it, and just let it fall in there nice and slow, and then, well, you'll feel a little thump thump if they're there. So I don't know how well the audio has been working out on the GoPro. I apologize again for it. You know, appreciate you guys sticking through it. It's not the best quality, but you know, we're still pretty new, like I said. So yeah, we'll see what happens. If it was a little bit more overcast, I brought the frog rod just in case with all this grass. I was hoping to throw that a bit, but don't really have faith in it. I haven't seen anything hitting the surface at all, so brought the frog and the popper just in case. But you know, better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it, as I always say. So we're gonna try the wacky worm, and then maybe throw the swim jig around just for poops and giggles, if you will. Appreciate you guys sticking through it. We'll see you back on the GoPro. And we're getting a phone call. Local legend Ed, let's see. What's going on, buddy?
Not much. You out fishing again?
Maybe.
Hey, they're not the same two, though.
No, I know, but they're two different fish. It was just the same picture from two different angles.
Yeah, it's got a weird patch on it.
Yeah, there's you're on YouTube, by the way, right now, eh?
Oh, right on.
Yeah, so
looks like something took a bite out of one of them in the side there.
yeah, I noticed that too. I was like, what the heck's going on in here? I don't know if the pike are still kicking around in here or not.
So you're getting them on the chatterbait?
Yeah, I think it's 6 or 7. Don't quote me on it yet. I'll have to go back and watch, but oh, that's one there. Yeah, stay away from that grass. This one ain't bad, yo. This one ain't bad at all. Oh, that's thick. That is thick. He's been eating in there. Oh, you freaking smoked it. Freaking smoked it. Okay. Might even have to go grab the pliers for this guy, which I should have put in my pocket. There we go. All right, bro. I'll see you later. Little rage swimmer. Or rage minnow, I can't remember. There's one. This one feels a little better too. Maybe it's just because it's been so long since I had a bite. Trying to dive into that grass, are we? Another one. picture of you two just for Ed. But like, you can't even complain. Well, I mean, I can't complain. I don't catch 3-pounders all the time, that's for damn sure. Freaking nice fish. I'm stoked. Try and clean my hand off really quick before I grab my phone again. Another one, Ed. Another one. Woo. You. I love it. Don't be peeing on me, mister. All right, bro. Thank you. Take it easy.